Hi, I'm Kate Naito, and this is Loose Leash Walking.
Yes.
I always recommend starting this behavior indoors or in a very quiet location. And all you're doing is rewarding your dog every time they look up at you. So Beans looks up, I yes, and give a treat at my side. She looks up, yes, I give a treat at my side.
Yes. Very nice. Yes.
Then we start going into more distracting locations, but the pattern is the same, and I continue talking to her through those interactions. So I'm engaging with her, and she's engaging with me.
Okay, let's keep going. Yes. Got it? Let's go. Yes.
Notice that my treats are on the dog side, and my leash is being held in the opposite hand.
Yes. Very good. Keep it up, boy.
At this point, Beans and I had already done a lot of practice in lower distraction areas, and so now I know she's ready for this kind of an environment, but it takes time to work up to that.
Yes. Nice job. Come on. Yes.
To learn more about small dog training and behavior, check out my book, Small Dog Savvy.